today is Halloween, and we're going on a little tiny Halloween hike. And we have brought John's dog, and she is living her best life. She's loving it. She's wild and free. And I'm collecting leaves, all the beautiful colors that I can find. Oh, girl, you're loving it. I stepped down deep. I stepped down deep in the muck. What have you done?
Hey, stairs. Okay, hey, you're good. We got you on.
I've mounted it. It's very loose. The last time we were at this location, I was picking lots of wildflowers and today I have leaves. It feels very seasonal. I love it here.